Hi teacher, my name is Gianfranco. This is my job, and today I will talk about the king of pop, the best and most remembered artist. This is Michael Jackson. His last name is Jackson. Is spelled like this: Jackson. Michael died in 2009 to the 50 years old. His wife, gloves, and bride has worth very tall in the market. He had dark skin in his early years, but a disease called vitiligo caused it to change to a lighter tone over time. He had a very particular style: black jacket, red jacket, and others. His nationality American. He's American. Michael was a very good person and a big artist. It's great. Thank you.